Solved problems. Income statement and balance sheet. Problem. Below is the trial balance of Cherry Trading as on 31st December 2019. List of accounts. Debit, credit. Office equipment at cost 30,000. Debit. Motor vehicles at cost 150,000. Debit. Accumulated depreciation office equipment 12,000. Credit. Accumulated depreciation motor vehicles 28,500. Credit. Inventory at 1st January 2019 15,000. Debit. Sales 200,000. Credit. Purchases 50,000. Debit. Insurance expense 4,000. Debit. Electricity, water and telephone bills 5,000. Debit. Custom duty 2,000. Debit. Carriages 5,700. Debit. General expenses 6,000. Debit. Return inwards 500. Debit. Return outwards 600. Credit. Discount allowed 450. Debit. Discount received 500. Credit. Advertising expenses 3,400. Debit. Rent 24,000. Debit. Staff salaries 28,800. Debit. Stationery expenses 500. Debit. Staff sales commission 3,500. Debit. Capital as at 1st January 2019 218,250. Credit. Accounts receivable 50,000. Debit. Accounts payable 10,000. Credit. Allowance for doubtful debts 3,000. Credit. Bank 75,000. Debit. Cash on hand 5,000. Debit. Drawings 7,000. Debit. Fixed deposit 10% per annum 60,000. Debit. Bank loan CIMB Bank 10% per annum 50,000. Credit. Interest received on fixed deposit 3,000. Credit. Total debits 525,850. Total credits 525,850. Additional information. Closing inventory as at 30th December 2019 was valued at 5,000. The amount of carriages include 202,000 for carriage inwards. Required. Prepare an income statement for the year ended 30th December 2019. Solution. Income statement. Sales 200,000 less returns inwards 500. Net sales 199,500. Closing inventory 5,000. Total 204,500. Inventory at 1st January 2019 15,000. Purchases 50,000 less returns outwards 600. Net purchases 49,400. Discount allowed 450. Carriage inwards 2,200. Customs duty 2,000. Total expenses 69,050. Gross profit 204,500 minus 69,050 135,450. Other income. Discount received 500. Interest received on fixed deposit 3,000. Interest on fixed deposit not yet received 3,000. 10% of 60,000 is equal to 6,000 less 3,000 received. So 3,000 not yet received. Total income 141,950. Expenses. Selling and distribution expenses. Advertising expenses 3,400. Staff sales commission 3,500. Administrative expenses. Electricity, water and telephone 5,000. Insurance expenses 4,000. Carriage outwards 3,500. General expenses 6,000. Interest on bank loan at 10% of 50,000 5,000. Rent 24,000. Staff salaries 28,800. Stationery expenses 500. Total expenses admin and selling 83,700. Net profit 58,250. Balance sheet. Assets. Current assets. Cash on hand 5,000. Bank 75,000. Accounts receivable 50,000. Allowance for doubtful debts less 3,000. Net receivable 47,000. Interest on fixed deposit receivable 3,000. Closing inventory 5,000. Total current assets 135,000. Non-current assets. Fixed deposit 10% per annum 60,000. Office equipment at cost 30,000. Less accumulated depreciation office equipment 12,000. Net office equipment 18,000. Motor vehicles at cost 150,000. Less accumulated depreciation motor vehicles 28,500. Net cost of motor vehicles 121,500. Total non-current assets 199,500. Total assets 334,500. Liabilities. Current liabilities. Accounts payable 10,000. Interest on bank loan payable 5,000. Total current liabilities 15,000. Non-current liabilities. Bank loan, CIMB bank loan 50,000. Capital. Capital as at 1st January 2019 218,250. Less drawings minus 7,000. Add net profit 58,250. Total capital 269,500. Total liabilities on capital 334,500. Total assets 334,500. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.